Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix rental income with Airbnb, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current rental income situation. Review your existing rental property and analyze its performance. Identify how much income you currently receive and compare it with the potential income from Airbnb. Research your local Airbnb market to understand pricing trends. Investigate similar properties in your area to gauge nightly rates. Consider the amenities your property offers and how they compare to others nearby. Evaluate your property's location and its appeal to Airbnb guests. Determine the ideal target audience for your rental, such as vacationers, business travelers, or long-term guests. Spruce up your property to increase its appeal. Focus on essential repairs and maintenance tasks. Enhance the interior with a fresh coat of paint or modern decor. Ensure that your property is clean and well organized. Invest in quality furnishings and appliances that provide comfort. Take captivating photographs of your property. Use natural light to showcase each room. Highlight unique features and amenities in your photos. Write a compelling description for your Airbnb listing. Clearly outline what guests can expect during their stay. Emphasize the benefits of your location and nearby attractions. Set a competitive price based on your research. Assess seasonal trends and local events that may affect pricing. Consider offering introductory rates for first-time guests. Create an attractive and informative Airbnb profile. Fill in all necessary details and respond promptly to inquiries. Maintain an open line of communication with potential guests. Understand the importance of earning positive reviews. Encourage guests to leave feedback after their stay. Address any concerns promptly to foster a good relationship. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.